Now let us start exercise 13D, question number 8. We have the curved surface area to be 364 meters square. The volume of cylinder is 924 meters square. We have to find the diameter and the height. We don't know the diameter or radius, so let's take it to be r. Then the height to be h. Now we have the curved surface area. We know the formula of curved surface area. So let's make use of that facts. So here we have the curved surface area to be 264. We know the formula to be 2 pi r h. Okay, still equal to 264. 2 remain from the question. Pi we know 22 by 7. R we don't know, H we don't know. So let it remain like that. So here let us try to separate these two variables. Okay. So 7 which is down, if I transfer this side, it will become multiply. These two which are multiply, if I transfer this side, they will become divide. So 2 divide 2, 64, we get 132. 22 divide 132, we get 6. So 6 into 7, 42. So let's separate this one. Here you have into. If we transfer that side, 1 will become the division of another. So here we can write r as 42 into h. After that we cannot do anything. Let's leave it as equation 1. Then we have the second condition of the question. They give us the volume of cylinder to be 924 centimeter cube. So let's make use of that. We know the formula of volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. Pi we know the value 22 by 7. R we have it from equation 1, 42 by h. But here we have square, so let's put square into h, which is still equal to 9 to 4. Then here we have 27 by 7, 42 by h square. So we can write it 2 times. Okay, 42 into 42, h into h into h. So here one of the h can be cancelled. Okay, then here 7 and 42 we can divide. Now our aim is to find out h. So let's cross multiply. Let's cross the position. Okay, we bring h up, 9 to 4 down. So there we can cancel with 2. 22 divide 9 to 4, we will get 42. Then 42 divide 42. So now here we have h is equal to 6 meter. Once we get h equals 6 meter, we can replace it in equation 1 to get r. So r will be 42 by 6, that means 7. But the question wants us to find the diameter. So we know diameter is double the radius. So 2 into 7 will be 14. So the diameter of the cylinder now will be 14 meter. Then next, let us see question number 10. How many cubic meters of earth must be dug out to a zinc, a well 14 meter deep and 4 meter in diameter? So we have depth as well as diameter. So if we observe carefully, this figure take the shape of cylinder. So here, since they ask cubic meters, that means we are talking about the volume of the cylinder. So we need to find out the volume of that earth which they remove in order to make a cylinder whose height is 14 meter and the depth, that means the 14 meter, the depth means the height, and the diameter to be 4 meter. Then at the same time, we also have to find the cost of plastering the inner surface, rupees 2.50. So inner surface means the side one, which is the curved surface area. So let's find the volume. Let's find the surface area in order to know the money. They give us the diameter to be 4m. So radius will be half of it, that is 2 meter. So the height we have 14. We can calculate the volume. So the volume of cylinder, which is equal to volume of the earth duct, it is pi r square h. Pi we know 22 by 7. R we know 2. So since we have r square, we can write 2 into 2. H we know 14. So we can replace that. Then volume meter cube. So 14 and 7 we can cancel. After that we multiply. So that will be the volume. So that means the volume of the arched duct, it will be equal to 176 meter cube. Now we need to get the surface area in order to know the price of plastering. So we know the formula, the curved surface area of cylinder, it is 2 pi RH. 2 let it remain because it's from the formula. Pi we know 22 by 7. R we know it is 2. H we can put it as 14. So 7 divide 14 we will get 2. So now we multiply all this. That will be the surface area, that is 176 meter square. Then here you see we have to find the cost of plastering. So for 1 meter square the cost is rupees 250. Then if it is for 176, how much will be the cost? Only 1 meter it is 2.50. So for 176 it will be more. So that means we multiply 2.50 with 176. So that means the total money will be 440.